Come, just wait.
Mama? Mama, I talk what you want to talk before I talk.
I don't have anything to say apart from that I wish you journey mercies. May God in heaven grant you journey mercies.
Amen.
You will go and come back. Anything you lay your hands to do will prosper.
Amen.
Anywhere you step upon, you possess your possession. Amen. It is well. Journey mercies.
Mama, leave Papa alone. Make you that no make trouble. You know him. For these two, make sure say the bomb man.
Is it my house to make them give birth to a man?
I don't tell you. Tell doctor say I say make the bomb man. Anybody who ain't born twins, that one they ready for better marriage. If you born girl, not be me get them. And two, make sure say everything when you go born resemble you. May not resemble, no make it resemble this face. Born better picking. Come see me off.
Say Johnny, May God grant you Johnny mercy.
Amen.
May God guide and protect you.
Amen. No go over pray the prayer because God will begin for people.
I will tell your father you have gone. Bye bye, yo.
Akwa Dikeh onye obi akpọ biko weluka n'ụwa nwayọ n'ụwa bukoro ka onye kotalụ ka ogbu ana Akwa Dikeh ife onye metalụ ka ogbu ana Akwa Dikeh Akwa Dikeh nwa mama yere 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 Akwa Dikeh onye obi akpọ biko weluka n'ụwa nwayọ n'ụwa bukoro ka onye kotalụ ka ogbu ana Akwa Dikeh ife onye metalụ ka ogbu ana Akwa Dikeh Akwa Dikeh nwa
Who be that? Who be? Who the fan?
I mean, no first. No be Ogaba the house with this.
Ogaba the house. Who the fan?
Where in there? One son.
Ogaba the no dey na wife dey.
Ogaba, he don't marry.
He don't marry.
Make her see wife.
Okay, father.
Papa, Mama, how they do?
They're fine, bro, so that they enjoy. When I come today, many things. You know, say I no way. I can't go reach that roundabout when I plate.
So don't tell me that again.
Come see Sambo TV.
Oh, first roundabout now. If you enter town, that's will be Sambo TV. Not this outdoor advertising something we government put for that place.
People just never can nobody bother to even watch them.
Hope you don't go stand there, they this yourself.
I can't go they watch.
Dikeh.
All the people when they throw ball, they go take. No people go take stick. They wait for them.
Baseball. Let me go. Dikeh. You go disgrace somebody one day.
Hi, brother. This
It's good to see you. Good to see
Yes,
you.
sir.
You try.
Bros, immediate. You can't go carry this guy go for you. Yeah.
You go close your mouth now.
Leave women.
Leave them.
Do whatever you want to do. Only few women they reasonable.
Very few.
No, you abandon me. I don't follow you. Wait, don't see money now.
Leave them. What's in the
If
name?
you faint now, you can follow me or follow me.
If I faint, drink go sleep. Drink go sleep. Ma, I'm an idiot, girl. For your job. See that man you're seeing there is a very, very good friend of mine. We've come a long way. Although we're not of the same age. Just that he didn't go to school on time and I caught up with him. And he has always been there for me. Every time he has been there for me. Always. You know. Besides, this world we are in is very, very rotational. You don't know what the world brings, okay?
Well, what can I say? I just know I'm not comfortable having him around the house. But you're the head of the house, so...
Don't worry, baby. Promise you get used to him, okay? You get used to him.
Good woman. Right. How was your night?
What are you doing? You're not by any chance eating the food I kept for my husband, are you? Can you imagine this food? No, Spirit. I woke up in the morning very early to make you food and he's eating it.
You the man?
What?
Don't worry. I'll take your food.
But I want this small girl. I didn't pass on my own. I just see food. I put to say you make food. So I can chop. And I chop by the best.
Why in the world would he think it's his? Are you the head of this house? Do you bring money for food in this house? Why would you think it's your thing?
It's alright. Dikeh.
I know.
Okwa.
Yeah.
It's no problem.
Want this small girl. Want this small girl.
Walk into the car. Walk into the car. Take care of myself. No, let me go to work.
You come out of time.
No, come out of time.
Again. Mama! Open this door. Naka, you're still here. I'm not going there. I'm not going to the house. Go back to them. Neka. Eh? Your condition now requires good attention, especially in the areas of food and medical expenses. Eh? Or you want to stay here and starve to death? Kati is capable. Neka, go back to them. I would not like to see you again here if I come out. Mama, let me stay now. I don't manage. Mama! Jesus. What are you doing?
Because your husband is not around. Oh, let me service you.
Hey! Abomination. God forbid.
Wait, we are the same thing. Your husband and I, we have the same features. The same type of nose, lips, eyelids, even face, baka.
Please not feel. I reject it. God forbid. But don't come close to me. I'll scream. Don't even come close.
Before you know it, we are through.
Papa, stop it! Papa, stop it! I want you to... Papa, stop it! Papa, stop it! Leave me alone! Till that kingdom come before you wake up. Please, it's daybreak. Wake up properly. Go and wash my husband's car. He's preparing for work. Oh, before I forget, make sure you don't scratch it and dry it properly.
Wetin dey talk? Huh? Is it make wash motor? Thunder fire your papa and your mama. Idiot. No, if I will bring wheelbarrows, I go wash. Okay.
Otumba Tuanumbo. Aaron, this early morning, eh? And you, so all the blessings you received from the church, you want to pour on this good-for-nothing fool?
My Kati, good morning.
Kati. Am I sounding friendly that you should greet me? Eh?
Papa, I'm no longer a small girl. Why embarrassing me? What is it embarrassment for?
Otumba Tuanumbo. So you now talk to your father like this? Aaron, have you seen what you've taught my daughter? Have you seen it? You are going to leave my family alone. If you don't, what I'll do to you will be bigger than what my son did to you. Otumba Tuanumbo. Leave my family alone. Otumba Tuanumbo. Where is that girl? Where is she? Otumba Tuanumbo.
What is it? Why are you in tears? From I'm talking to you, what is it?
Stella, I've had it in the neck and I don't think I can take it any longer. Can you imagine your father sneaking into my room at night to make love to me?
Hey! My father tried to make love to you. For what now?
You're asking me, eh? You're asking me, Shay? You're going to ask your father that doesn't want to respect himself. Go and ask him that question. I'm even tired of this marriage. I'm tired of this marriage.
Right. Hey, come.
What?
What is this?
Food. It is food.
If a mixed cement can come for me. This is the job for money. Now this is the job for money. Now this is you served me yesterday for money. Huh? My son didn't serve me before. Huh? Not be at the tonto. Now this is okay. Come to think of it. This second food. Now you bring for me.
Mr. Dikeh or whatever they call you. You don't want to eat it? Leave it here. I am not your wife!
Ah! This girl. You fine? If I eat you, call me bastard. Please.
Leave me alone, no, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Stella, you are an idiot. An idiot. Instead of coming home with the blessings you got from the church, you poured them over a man Stella. Otumba to Amombo.
Papa, leave me alone.
Otumba to Amombo.
What is it?
Otumba to Amombo. Your daughter is an idiot. Stella is not only a local champion, but a village Keziah. Stella was coming from the church. Instead of bringing her blessings here, she poured them over a man. Two of them were clinking hands as if no other person existed. With Bible. With Bible.
Papa, you're calling me a local champion. You're calling me a local champion. Both of you that go to sleep with your son's pregnant wife at night.
Now, did you hear what she just said?
Yes, Mama. Ifeoma told me that Papa sneaked into her room last night and tried to make love to her.
Did you hear that?
You want to tell me that you believe her?
You don't want me to believe her?
How can you believe her?
How can't I believe her?
How could you believe I did such a thing? Stella is a trash.
No.
Stella talks rubbish. No. But gibberish at times, sir.
Where is the girl? Mama, she has packed her things and gone.
How can you believe it?
It's not when you shout and shout and shout, I'll let it go like that. No, it did not end like that.
Who is making noise? No, if you want us to go to Alose, we
have our own Alose now. Something greater than Alose.
No, whichever one you choose.
The Bible.
I am
it's
there.
Greater than Alose.
I am there.
Bob
Niger.
You follow me?
How can a catechist do what she said? Stella is a trash.
My daughter is not a trash. It's not true.
Otumba. Otumbi. Atambu. Otambu. Igbo Munto.
Chai! Aro! Abomination in this woman's land. Hey! Reverend Father must hear this. Sorry, Mwam. Ndo. I will go and tell the Reverend Father.
I don't come your house, come sit down every day, chop, sit down, talk, watch TV, receiving salt from clear. I tell you, say, na business now I can do. I want to do something. Maybe to sit down and come. I don't tell you this thing before.
I don't hear what you talk. You give me small time. I tell you, give me small time, make I think. You
never think am.
Oh, yeah, tell me what you want to do. Which kind of business you want to make I say how if you take support you.
I won't join you, your own kind of business. I won't make it know. I don't think the baby people they look us. You know as we be before.
You won't do my kind of business. You won't just see what you I beg, be serious once in your life. You won't do my kind of business.
To you be like how they play, Abi. How they joke? I mean,
You want I beg, nobody can get serious for once in your life, I beg. What do you say you want to make I see if take help you?
I go fit do anything.
Anything why they do, let me want to do.
Na person you dey kill.
Fiakwa, I don't kill person. Okay. Okay, I don't hear you. But you get some kind things who I need to see. Some kind qualities who I need to see for your body first. If I see them, say the thing day, then we will put you for line.
Show me the thing you want to see. I will tell you how it will be.
Then they shock you now. Relax.
Yes, I did. I want you to listen to a story. Ifoma.
Yes, Father.
Please, can you repeat exactly what you just told me?
Yes, Father. Father, I said as I was sleeping in my room last night, Kati entered my room and started touching parts of my body. When I woke up and expressed the shock at seeing him, he said I should allow him to do small.
It's okay, it's okay. Catechist, did you hear what she just said?
Father, I heard it, but it's not true. It is not true.
Hey! Catechist, you're a liar!
Mind how you talk to
Mind
me.
what? Agadi Ekwenka.
Stop. It's okay. Catechist, did you say it's a lie?
Father, it is a lie. How can I do such a thing? A thing like that? Catechist? Condescending so low? I had never done such a thing. I did not do it and will never ever do such a thing. It's not true.
Okwa, walk fast now. Be smart. You still want to go and sleep? Take. This is your first parcel. What are you looking at? Take instructions. Take instructions. Now, this is your first parcel. I want you to bring it to me at New Market Junction in 50 minutes. 50 minutes. New Market Junction. You hear me? Let's forget. Don't open.
No, I'm not opening.
Do not open. Friday.
My woman, they go, this is my own 15 minutes.
Hey, good morning. Beautiful girl. Good morning. How are you? So, what brought you to my shop?
Yeah, I need tea, milk, bread, and sugar.
What you just mentioned, I have it in my shop.
Oh, yeah, please, can I have it?
This is it.
Okay.
Everything is in here.
So, how much is it?
Money? No, now. What are friends for? At least let's start our friendship with this.
Friends? Yes. I don't understand. I hardly know you.
Yes, you're right. But I know you. See, since I've been seeing you around the village, I've not summoned much courage to tell you how much I feel about you.
Really? Now that I've summoned the courage, how do you feel about me?
I feel love. You see, everything about you. I like your personality, the way you dress in the village, your sandal, your hair, your color.
Sorry to disappoint you. I cannot be deceived by these cheap provisions. you cannot buy me with this.
No, I'm not buying you. I'm not buying you with it. No, I'm not buying you. I mean everything that I said. I'm not buying you with this thing now. Okay. Whatever you need, just look around. Just mention it. I'll give it to you. Just to prove to you that I mean what I'm saying. Anything.
Anything.
It's my shop now.
Eh.
Yes.
You bring it. Okay, I need geisha.
What's the card for this bag? Open them! I said open them! Hey! So that cocaine the card for this town. Open them, open them! Hold on. See this idiot. So an ordinary source you carry on they run. What to make you they run? Open that bag!
Yeah.
Go! Go!
Hi, baby.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I can see. Well, these are my newly arrived goods. So I thought it wise I should get you these things. I know you need it.
Uh-oh.
Your hands are beautiful.
I'm flattered. Thank you so much. It's expensive. I didn't ask for it.
Yeah. See, as a man, I need to do what I'm supposed to do without being told. You know you're my new priceless jewel.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. You're great.
I hope you like it.
Yeah. I love them. Nice.
Thanks. You see, whatever you need, just tell me. I will do it. I promise you.
I like it. Thank you so much.
Is anybody in the house?
The house? No, nobody.
I have to go back to my shop. Bye-bye.
Newly arrived goods indeed. Can you imagine?
There's no doubt about it, you've proven yourself to be good in lifting. And I want to be the first to announce to you that by this time next week, you'll be coming with me to Italy.
Wow.
Or do you want to think about it?
At the Greece? Oh, wonderful. Well, my promise to you is that I will never let you down. Yeah. Oh, but you know me now. Eh? You know what I feel do. Let's give it a try. You go hold on, maybe make a hold on.
No, let me just still keep it for you, for security reasons.
Okay, no problem.
And also let me be the first to tell you welcome to the club.
Up. Oh boy. You're
Let's
tough.
go.
Yeah.
Is on. Are you not feeling hot?
My brother.
Move the car. Start feeling free. Start getting used to this place. There's a way you behave here. They will know you're a JJC, and police will start chasing you.
Ah. Just like that.
They will trace you. You will just open our nyash. This place you have to belong. Force yourself to belong. You don't arrive. Oh. You understand me? You they move. They go club this night. Oh. So that's what you do. Do go shower. We're going to club. Can get bogo mo asa ndocha.
Oh, yeah, tomorrow.
No worry, get bogo hita. Have you tried white girls before?
At the Greece for where? Where was that?
I'll give you 2 this night.
Hi.
They will.
Don't go take woman and start this business.
You have arrived. Opa, trust me, you have arrived. Drink and go and. Come tomorrow na you play game o. So we dey shake kokoko, see your mouth as dey shake. Eh? Tomorrow na all the buyers go gather. And then they do all this kind of shaking with the shake. You go fit do this thing.
No matter say you first come here. You know who I be. Trust me.
Okwa, this game I don't tell you now survival of the fittest. So you go fit.
I fit what you say.
See the shake.
Leave that thing.
Oh yeah, I don't talk my own. Come on, they go now.
They try.
They went to. Oh yeah, come enter inside guitar. Come enter inside guitar. Enter inside guitar. Lock the door. Lock the door.
Hi. Oh yeah. That's what this thing did. Very easy. So I'm a rich man.
No, you are rich. You're not a millionaire. This is 1.8 million US dollars. Let me check. See now. Let me go come. See. Let me go come. If they convert this money for naira, you know how much it be? 280 million naira. Yes. Cash. Let me check. Is the money where they are now, if you convert them.
Today I will take drink kill myself.
If you convert this money to naira, you take your own share. You see, Dekati, your mama, made for life. For life. What in the ground with that?
That is why they not for well.
Don't worry yourself. Don't miss make you lock door. Let me today I begin play this game. Don't worry yourself. You get your own space.
So what we going to do now?
We'll celebrate now.
Shark.
Go shark.
I go take shark kill myself today.
But now you go pay.
Now you go buy. Make it be. How much you want to drink? You go drink 1 million naira.
Okay. What happened now? You want me to be?
Bros, man, go tell them for back.
Sharp.
Hey!
Bros, comfort yourself. You will do. Just relax. Don't show anything. Mature.
Barry, wake up. Barry.
Slag has been waiting for you. Slag.
Yes.
How is it?
Okay, Mkunienu now. Mkunienu. Wake up.
Where is your friend? Toilet.
Your friend is not there.
Call him now.
He is not in the toilet. I've checked. He's not there.
Barry, I have checked the toilet. I did not see anybody. Where is he?
Barry, where is your friend?
Did you check well?
At least I'm not drunk.
Did you go to buy food?
What? Barry, what?
Okadike. Where is he?
What?
Okadike.
Barry.
Where is Okadike?
You asking me?
I was sleeping. You don't lie. I was sleeping here. It's you.
I am asking you about your friend and you are asking me.
It's you.
Where is your friend? I hope you're not trying to play games.
Don't go anywhere.
You're joking.
Don't go anywhere. You don't slide. Don't go anywhere. You're the one I know. Don't go anywhere.
You're joking.
Hi, Okadike.
Look at you. You look totally different from the last time we saw.
Oh,
You want to tell me the secret?
Those to my new catch. So tell me, how is Barry? I mean, I can see his efforts all over you.
My sister, Beggy. Forget that thing. As I speak to you now, I've not heard from Barry since he's traveled with his friend Dikeh. No call, no message, no nothing.
Have you tried calling him?
I have. Countless times. I've even given up trying.
What about his friend he traveled with? Have you called his number?
Huh? You say? Are you okay? If it's Dikeh you're asking me about, are you okay? Will it ever occur to that Momo to have fun? Ha! Oh, my dear, the trouble that face me now as I speak to you is that the house rent. I'm owing for this house for like 8 months now. And the landlord is threatening to throw me out soon if I don't pay up. That's a big wahala for my head though.
This is serious.
Very, very serious.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. I don't know, my sister. I don't know.
You have to do something. Do something, right?
Barry, I ain't gonna waste you here. Trust me. I make sure you don't go back to Nigeria alive. Okay?
Take it easy now, Sly. Why do you think I want?
My friend, shut up!
Why is Sly talking like this? Why do you think I want to do this now? We have done big business before. We have done business of $3 million, $4 million. Is it this small 1.8 million that I want to dupe you? I can't do that now. Besides, we have a lot of things to do together in future. Why talk to Sly now?
Barry, listen. The guy is not trustworthy. I don't want to transact any business with him again, okay?
No problem.
Yeah.
We human beings are not the same. I don't know that the guy is like that.
Shut up! You Barry!
Oh.
You Barry!
Hey, Sly. This is not necessary.
Sly,
now.
it's okay.
It's not necessary. Okay. What would you think is not necessary, Sly? Human beings are not the same. How am I supposed to expect that this guy will behave like this?
It's okay. It's all right, my friend.
Okay, Sly.
Where's she? Yeah. What about other things inside?
My dear, you know I told you it's been terrible ever since. Even the landlord has been threatening to evict me out of this house because of rent.
Maybe you come back to remove some certain things here because he's not coming back, may he so rest in peace. And I'm talking about the rent. Maybe I will pay it myself. Right. I just want you to follow me and then I will change your world.
Who am I not to believe in you now? When God has brought you back to me to remedy me from this situation.
Listen. You're not leaving. I was lucky. So lucky to have escaped from the hands of those policemen. It's terrible. I'm sure they're going to search the guy's house in Nigeria. Yeah. So, you have to change your SIM card. Yes. Because they're going to search, even if they find out that your number is in this guy's phone. If they call it, they won't get across to you. They won't get across to you. So you have to get a new SIM card. You're going to get a new SIM card altogether. Please.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
I'm so glad you came back.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you escaped from me. What would I have done? Come here.
It's okay. Tomorrow we'll drive down to the village to see my parents.
Okay. Okay. I'll go wherever with you. I will.
That's my baby.
Oh. Don't want to eat it? Leave it here. I am not your wife! Go and watch my husband's car. He's preparing for work.
Owadike, get the hell out of my house this minute.
So what happened? Why did they sack you?
Don't worry. We shall talk about that one later.
My son, I'm so happy for you now.
Mama, that reminds me. What did you say, neck and Ifeoma bone?
Man. 2 man.
Boys! Now I can walk comfortably to their homes and pick my children.
Relax first. We shall talk about that one later. Relax.
Every day.
Okay,
For the thief.
I will see you. Let me just.
Just one day for the owner. In whatever you do, just remember there'll be a payback.
What is it?
I have a suggestion.
Suggestion? Go ahead.
See, I don't think this guy is still in Italy.
How do you know?
He's my boy. He's my boy. And he doesn't know anywhere. This is his first time outside the shores of Nigeria. Besides, I made a call and someone told me that they've seen him around in Nigeria.
Tell me you are joking.
I'm not joking. I even have a text message of his number. Somebody they forwarded me a text message of his number.
Let me see.
That's his new number in Nigeria.
Ring it.
Okwadike. Hello? Okwadike, hello? It's Barry. Okwadike came for why? Okwadike, why did you do this to me? No, tell me, Okwadike, where did I go wrong? Is it in bringing you to Lagos or bringing you to Italy that I went wrong? That you look at Sly is here with his men. They're holding me hostage. Eh? Sly has promised to kill me if you don't return his money. Okwadike, why? Eh? Hello? Okwadike? Hello?
Barry, what is going on?
It's network. Let me call him back. Switch off. Sly, please, I want to beg you for something, please. We have known each other for a while now, Sly. We've done many things together, Sly. Please, I want to beg you for just one more thing, please. Sly, allow me to go to Lagos. Let me go and look for Okwadike myself, Sly, please.
Wait, Barry. Wait. You mean you are going to Nigeria to go and bring my money?
Please.
Well, in that case, you will go with Morris. Okay? Morris.
Yes.
You will go with him to Nigeria.
No problem.
And make sure you don't fail to come with my money. Okay? Because if I come to Nigeria myself, I repeat, if I come to Nigeria myself, the whole music will change.
What did you just say? Now listen, Okwadike, or whatever you call yourself. I am not afraid of you. Did you hear me? Whoever you are or whatever you think you are, I don't know and I don't care. How could you abandon a girl you impregnated for so long? only to come back to claim your child. Do you think we are fools? Are you out of your senses? Eh? Does this house look like an orphanage where you can walk in anytime you want to claim a child? Now, if you don't mind, get out of my house.
So, in other words, you are seizing my child.
Eh? Do you have a child? Okwadike, do you have a child?
Can I speak with her?
Talk to who? No, you can't talk to her. Okwadike, leave here. I said, leave my husband's house, Okwadike, before I shout. Okwadike, I will shout, oh, leave here.
Okwadike.
Are you leaving or not?
I'll come back.
Go.
Okwadike. Okwadike.
Mama, Okwadike cannot do anything to me. I'm not afraid of him. I fear no one except God. For what now? A man that impregnated me and abandoned me for so long. Mama, no. I'm not releasing my child to him. Mba.
Neka, my daughter. Husband is a crown of a woman, says my people. I'm not talking of you returning the child to him. What I'm asking you is to go back to his house because he's your husband.
Husband. Husband that did not pay bride price. Husband that abandoned his wife. He doesn't even know how I had the child. Mama,
my dear. But when you go back to his house, I'm sure he will come and do all those things. Men are being followed gradually.
When he comes.
Please, my daughter.
When he brings the bride price. When he comes.
Neka, are you going inside? Hunger will kill me and you in this house, oh. You better pack your things and start going to his house. Okay.
Well, I'm here because I just realized that so many things have changed recently. You don't care for me anymore. You don't even visit.
If you must know, Stella, I am sick and tired of being insulted by every member of your family every time just because of you. I'm sick!
Aaron, do you realize what you're saying? Do you realize what you're saying to me, Aaron?
Yes, coming. Oh, Rachel. You're welcome. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Yeah, please do make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
So, what can I offer you?
Nothing other than what we talked about on phone.
Sorry, I don't remember.
How could you forget so soon? I told you I need just 10,000 naira because I want to travel.
Wait a minute, Rachel. Is it 10,000 naira you're calling just? God.
Well, are you giving it to me or not? I can see you're not serious. I don't ever want to see you close to me anymore. Since you can't foot my bills. Aaron, so you found yourself another girl. That's the type of girl you found for yourself, Aaron. I wish you all the best.
No, Stella, please, Stella.
Barry, see, don't you ever call this number again. Don't ever try calling this number again. Do you hear that? Power don't gas. Kill them! Dress up.
Every day for the thief, and just one day for the owner. And whatever you
Where are you people going? What is happening?
just remember there'll be a payback.
What is happening?
I received an emergency call from Italy, from my friends.
Italy?
Obodo Igbo?
Yes, Mama. Obodo Igbo.
Yes, please.
Please, what will happen to the children we discussed?
Yes, please. Calculate all the expenses from day one up till date. Then you get across to me.
Huh?
Yes.
Mama, yeah. Safe journey, yo. What kind of wire? Drive carefully, yo.
What kind of?
These people won't allow me to enjoy my son again.
What kind of situation is this?
I wonder.
No pre-information, no previous arrangement. How sure things are okay?
Any good here?
Otumba to Mumbo.
Oloma, Olojo, Mande Jidenkiji. Bogeru, Aniga Mara, how far? Good or bad,
It's nothing so special. I just want to share an idea with you. It's all about, I want to recall back when we were hustling, chasing and toiling in the village looking for level. Right? I also thought about the scandals, humiliations we passed through some friends and relatives in the course of growing, looking for money and all that. Now the money is here. I'm thinking about having a security. Security, yes. Because, I mean, when you have a level and you're trying to upgrade and hold permanently the status that you discover yourself. I mean...
Okay, let me stop you, sweetie. Hush. I won't have you do that. What do you need security for? In whatever form it comes, bodyguards, CID, FBI, CIA, I don't care. Because for all I know, you don't need no security. Okay. Walk with me here, alright? Let's be on the same page. We just lost Barry. Barry is dead. I'm sure by now the police are all out looking for someone to link, someone to have as an ally to his death, or some form of relation or family member for his properties. And you want to go loud with security? Are you kidding? You know, if there's anything I think you should do is for you to lie low and be invisible. You don't want to go spreading your tentacles and becoming a big fish in a small river. Huh? Save all the bigness for later.
Wise girl. I like this so smart baby. Good point.
Alright.
Good point. So, what you're saying is that we're going to stay indoors all day?
Well...
And sometimes we drive out. We call that sneaking.
Ew! Get away from here.
Life is so sweet and so precious, you know that.
Yes, it is, baby. I know.
That was the compliment for now. How many you have security?
Okay, no security for now.
Does that mean there's nobody in this house? Dikeh. Dikeh. Oh,
Barry. How are you?
I'm fine.
You came around, eh?
Yes. How are you?
Fine. Who are those with you?
Oh, these are my bodyguards.
Bodyguards?
Yes.
So, brother, you now move about with bodyguards.
For security.
Welcome.
There is something I want us to discuss.
Privately?
Privately.
Okay.
I'll come second. Take and talk to your son. Tell him if he's not here in the next 30 minutes, you're a dead man. Take.
Dikeh. Your friend Barry says if you're not here within 30 minutes, they will kill me. Dikeh, come and see them so that I can be free and go. Come and see them.
Papa, give Barry phone, make a daughter. Give him.
Nobody can speak, I'm listening.
Barry, what do you can concern my papa for this matter?
Dikeh, you're prolonging this matter. As a matter of fact, your father has 20 minutes left.
20 minutes. Why not make it 5 minutes? Barry, kill him. Give my papa for my daughter.
Talk to your son.
Dikeh.
Papa?
Come and save my life, oh.
Now when we say that say they won't kill you. No need make a begin prolong matter. Anything where they want to make it wrong. For me, sir, if you the same person not take in hand and kill him, but I forgot kill sense. You know they use for me sense. So if they say they won't kill you, let him go ahead. Let him go ahead and kill you. And when anything what they do, help me tell them, make they put your body for where I go fix you because of burial. Make church people not go to say animal chop your meat. Make they kill you. You're not that important for me. What you don't ever solve for me, as Papa. May they carry you come outside. Goodbye. Adieu, Papa. God bless you. May your soul rest. May your soul rest. I don't feel perfect peace because I don't want put peace. You don't give me peace for this world. May your soul rest. If you rest, fine. If you don't rest, well, die first.
Look, we waste this man now.
Nobody can.
Mother.
Nobody can.
What did he say? Otumba tuano mumbo.
Mama, the worst has happened. What is it? Mama, they've kidnapped Dikeh's mother. Jesus Christ. Dikeh, why can't he give them money to release them? Mama, you don't understand what is happening. Hey, and it pains me, you don't understand at all. Hey. Mama, these people are not kidnappers, so they said Dikeh knows their money after a business transaction overseas. So he ran away with people's money from overseas. Those are his business partners from overseas. They're the one kidnapping his parents. Let him go and settle them now. Which one is my business there? Yes.
You see the man you were pushing me to go and get married to. Marry him, marry Okwadike. You've seen it now. Okwadike is a heartless man. Over my dead body, will marry that man. Hey, Mama, I'm waiting for the day Ife Buchi will grow up. Okwadike will step his foot in this house, come and claim me. I'm waiting for me to see him in this house. Let me come and claim up Ife Buchi, let me see him. Ma, let me help you out.
Take the phone and speak to your son. Tell him that you'll be wasted if he doesn't come to your rescue. Take!
Mama, they don't carry you join Baba if they don't kill him.
They have killed your father, and they said they will kill me if you don't come back.
Okay, give the phone to Barry. Barry, that woman where you touch on my mama, she mean a whole lot of things to me. Leave that woman, your money there. I'll give you all the money, give you. Leave that woman. Hear me, sir?
Now you're talking. I'm going to forward an address of my hotel to you. And if you're not here in the next 30 minutes, trust me, your mother will be marking her wedding anniversary with your father.
No problem. Take some. Huh?
Hope so.
I'll bring them.
But shut up!
Barry, your life is in my palms. No, the man like this. John Wapia. John Happy. I was going on.
Every day for the thief, and just one day for the owner. In whatever you do, just remember there'll be a payback. Oluoma, Oluojo, Wande Jidenkiji. Ogeruru, Aniga Mara how far. Good or bad, Jidenkiji. Ogeruru, Aniga Mara how far. Yeah. Every day for the thief, and just one day for the owner.
Barry.
In whatever
Barry.
You
Yes, I'm here.
Just remember
Look, I should come in.
Oluoma, Oluojo, Nwanne Jidenkiji. Ogeruru, Aniga Mara how far. Good or bad, Jidenkiji. Ogeruru, Aniga Mara how far.
you squeezing your face? What's the problem?
What do you think?
No. It's okay. It's okay.
Owadike.
It's okay.
Owadike, you.
By the way, why? This is the money. So why all this scuffle? It has not gotten to this level, please. Okay? Ease myself, please. Please, my friend, where can I ease myself?
Ease what? Owadike, you.
It's okay now.
Owadike, you.
Relax. Barry, relax. The money is here. Allow him to ease himself.
I want to ease myself, please.
You want to ease yourself?
Yes.
You can go there and ease yourself. So.
Every day for the thief, and just one day for the owner. In whatever you do, just remember there'll be a payback. Oloma, Olojo, one day Jidenkiji. Ogeru, Aniga Mara, how far? Good or bad, Jidenkiji. Ogeru, Aniga Mara, how far?
I call police. If I call police now, it will be a gun battle. I beg him Ghana and Abadi. Madonna, what is that?
Good or bad, Jidenkiji. Ogeru, Aniga Mara, how far? Oloma, Olojo, one day Jidenkiji. Ogeru, Aniga Mara.
What is this?
What?
Morris. What is this? This is not my money. This is not my money! Huh? Morris.
Yes?
Go and get me that swine. Get me that swine now! This is not my money! What? Owadike. This is not my money. Where is he?
I couldn't find him.
You couldn't what?
I said I couldn't find him.
God damn it. Morris, where did he go to?
I don't know.
Morris, find him. Morris!
The boss, I didn't say anyone.
You didn't see Owadike?
I thought he's with you upstairs.
You didn't see him walk past here now?
No, I didn't say anything.
God damn it. God damn it. Look for him. Look for him for me. Look for him. Come on, look for him. Look for him. Go there, look for him. Look for him. Shoot him! If I him, shoot him! Shoot Okwadike! Oh, Okwadike! Okwadike! Shoot him! Oh, shoot him! Shoot him! If you find him, shoot him! Don't shoot him! Anybody, shoot him!
all to search your mind and tell me the truth. For a very long time now, I've been keeping quiet. Not that I don't know, I know. Now, who is he that steals the host?
Father, I'm sorry to say this. I don't believe that it's any one of us that steals the host. It might be all these church rats, okay, but...
Are you not the president of the mass servant?
Yes, Father, I am.
And you have the key to sacristy?
Yes, Father.
How and where did OK Belgium enter the pigeonhole? Tell me.
I don't know.
Can you see? You might even be the one stealing it.
What do you mean?
Yes.
Father, how can you say it like this? This is my 5th year in this parish. Father, it's not me. I can't do anything like that. I'm sorry, Father.
Anyway, since none of you wants to say the truth, no problem. But let me remind you that there is a curse that follows anybody that steals the host, and God will be the judge.
This must be the cause of all the negative life I've been living. They might also be the cause of the premature death of Joseph. If I had known, I wouldn't have denied. Otumba to Amumbo. Otumba to Amumbo.
Mommy! Mommy!
You're back.
Please, back.
Why?
I called you on phone.
Yes, you did, but I don't understand. And why are you dressed like this? What's going on?
Lose.
What is going on? You're scaring me.
Let's go.
Go!
Let's move. Follow me.
Honestly, Barry, I'm so confused. What do we do now?
Let's get his parents released.
What?
We'll release his parents. That way he'll believe all is well. And trust me, he'll come out from hiding.
Okay. If you say so.
Check everything into your cost. Both the printing of invitation, I need to hire limousine. You like limousine?
Yes. I like it.
It's gonna be a big wedding.
I know.
And 250 something.
Yeah.
Like.
Hold on.
Take care of this one.
What did you for? Dikeh for. Miss Jojo we go below Igbo.
Igaruzie, tizi la reverse. Rapuzie mwa. Rapuzie mwa kwa Dikeh.
Mwa bani.
Hey! Kitaka money bu mo. Ago cable. For tracing me. Who got home? Mother got that little boy. Young cousin work. Someone has to be poor. For the other to be rich.
Obuzimwa. Obuzimwa, Dikeh.
film. Email.
Guy, it's okay, it's okay. She's a woman. It's okay. It's alright. Relax now. She's a woman. Hold yourself.
Email film was not here. Make me lie. Lauta. Guy, I can't share with you. Oh, what did be here? Can't share with you, Kita.
It's your ways.
Can go on. Where's your checkbook? Whatever be here.
Everything.
Nga sachi you now. Nga sachi you now. Be here. Show them your checkbook. You got one son. You got money also. Ma sachi you. Chongo on again. Ma sachi him now. Get get go to be a guy. Come we be miss bro.
Where's the key?
Hey, what the girl go? Guy, mo so am any go girl. Massa get this now.
Every day for the thief and just one day for the owner.
Say the thing.
In whatever you do, just remember there'll be a payback.
How much do you have there?
You know, so the thing no go reach as it be before because I go don do some expenses.
Oh, what the key? I go alone for here.
I don't do expenses before now. 180 million.
Is it again?
180.
Guy, my money is 280 million. Bam. 280 million.
You know what? This is why we are done the notice done they come out.
What can I send you? I send you? Eh?
Don't do now. You don't do leave him now. Leave him now. Let's make do with the one we have.
I send you? You do expensive. I send you? Eh? What
Barry. Now because of gone and then like this my two guys, I'm going to look you. You know me, oh.
You say?
I said because of saying una day here and gone. Now make me dey look you.
You say what?
You don't know me.
Because of gone, you look me.
You know me well.
What you stand up now?
Who you be now?
Leave. What you stand up?
Guy dey here. All this guy.
Be there, I call. What can you do?
Me and you.
The legal guy call.
Relax. No mind him now. Relax. Relax. Put on your shirt. No mind him. Now what they make? Relax.
Go withdraw. Me and dey here. Go withdraw.
Guy, I can go and check out. Confirm the signature there for me very, very well.
Bros, you don't go withdraw money or check when.
Bros, make you wait first. Wait first.
Check calm.
I say make you wait first.
And the same thing.
Every day for the thief.
Meanwhile,
And just one day for the
you wait, make we go confirm this money first. You don't understand? Guy, you go mount for that gate for me. You understand? Go mount for there. Guy, you go follow and go back.
Don't mess with us. Don't mess with us.
You don't give me my phone. So baby, no.
You guys are hands on me! Can't you touch me! Are you stupid? Don't fucking dare!
Whatever you do,
did I ever meet you?
Just remember there'll be a payback. Oluoma, Oluojo, nwanne jide nkiji. Ogeruru, anyị ga-amara how far. Good or bad, jide nkiji. Ogeruru, anyị ga-amara how far. Oluoma, Oluojo, nwanne jide nkiji. Ogeruru, anyị ga-amara how far.
Let's go. Let me carry you.
What?
Let me carry you. Move. I couldn't see the gate proper.
Take it still. You have not finished carrying your round body skiria you want to carry. My friend, give me space.
Every day for the thief, and just one day for the owner. And whatever you do, just remember there'll be a payback. Oluoma, Oluojo, Mande Jidenkiji, Ogeru, Aniga Mara how far. Good or bad, Jidenkiji, Ogeru, Aniga Mara how far. For the thief, and just one day for the owner. In whatever you do, just remember there'll be.
Stay away from me, idiot. Fool.
Nah, babe.
How are you?
My name is Kyria. Can I join you in your car?
No problem. But who is that man with you?
Oh, I don't know him. Can I join you?
Come in.
All right.
Women, men don't suffer. Why? Oh, lo. I didn't go to Buru.
Every day for the thief, and just one day for the owner. In whatever you do, just remember there'll be a payback. Oluoma, Oluojo, Mande Jidenkiji, Ogeru, Aniga Mara how far. Good or bad, Jidenkiji, Ogeru, Aniga Mara how far. Hey. day for the thief, and just one day for the owner. In whatever you do, just remember there'll be a payback. Oluoma, Oluojo, Mande Jidenkiji, Ogeru, Aniga Mara how far. Good or bad, Jidenkiji, Ogeru, Aniga Mara how far. Oluoma, Oluojo, Mande Jidenkiji, Ogeru, Aniga Mara how far. Good or bad, Jidenkiji, Ogeru, Aniga Mara.